how to withdraw money from Metatrader 5 to bank account. So if you want to withdraw money from Metatrader 5 to bank account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Metatrader 5 application. Once you do that, you need to go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and you need to go with the account section. Now pay attention. You cannot withdraw money directly from Metatrader 5. So in order to withdraw money from your MT5, you first need to transfer USD or any other cryptocurrency to your account or any other account you are using. You need to click on deposit and transfer your selected cryptocurrency from Metatrader 5 to your XNS account. Once the funds have been received in your XNS account, you can simply click on the withdraw option from there and transfer the money directly to your bank account. As of now, this is the only way to withdraw your money from Metatrader 5 to any of your bank accounts. You cannot do that directly. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.